Hello everyone, it's Josh here. How you doing? Ensure you subscribe to this channel like I always say, so that I get this update as they drop by. So for today we're going to be looking at RUBI KYC, talking about the RUBI mining app, which is this. So today we're going to be looking at the KYC. So we're going to be like KYC, how you can successfully carry out your RUBI KYC. So I'm going to be showing you the processes of the RUBI KYC. Now, you must ensure that you have created your wallet, number one, before you talk about the RUBI KYC. Okay. Now, by the time you are going to be creating your wallet, you are going to see something like your hash code, your scan code, and I think your private key, something like that. Please ensure that you save these assets so that you can be able to recover your wallet in case you misplace your gadget, misplace your mobile phone or whatever. And another thing you need to know is, for you to do your KYC, you must have some RUBI token. You can see I'm already having 4 RUBI coin here, and according to what you are saying, it is what you see here is what $22. So we don't know if this is going to be the amount of the RUBI coin. So you must have RUBI coin which you are going to be using for the KYC. Now you can get RUBI coin for those who successfully passed the KYC 1.1 that have already migrated their RUBI coin. So you need to migrate it. We are going to be looking at that steps later on, but the first we are talking about what the KYC. So I'm going to take my time to make this video so that you know the processes. So once you have created your wallet has been created successfully, then you talk about another thing we're going to be talking about is your details. All right, because one of the criteria is you must have what, proving that you are the owners of the RUBI account. So if you click on information here, now you can see that I've provided all the necessary details that is needed. This is more like the pre-KYC steps where you have to prove that you're the owner of the account. So I've already provided my last name and my name, my gender, my date of birth, my email, my mobile number, my country, and my address. So once you have done this, if you have not done this, you need to ensure that you go and do this. All right, provide your details. So that brings you to to the user verification. So for you to provide your details, you click on my information, you provide your information there. Then for the KYC, you click on user verification. After clicking on user verification, you click on eKYC, which is the first option, eKYC. Now you click on continue. For the KYC, it is based on invitation. If you have created your wallet and you have dropped your information, then you are going to get a notification on your app. So I'm going to show you where you're going to get that notification. So if you click on this, I think this here, no, let me look for where you get that notification. All right, if you click on this particular base sign here, when you get a notification, this is where you know you are due for KYC. all right, so you need to ensure that you check here. You can see here that KYC has been sent to you. Please check and complete KYC. So this is where you know that you have gotten your KYC is going to appear here, which is more like a notification aspect of the app. So once you have got your notification, you just go to click on users verification, eKYC, you click on continue. Once you get these 3 checks, that's what I was asking you, you need to provide your information. You need to provide that you are the owner. You need to complete your ownership information over 30 days. You must have at least 30 rubies. You must have received the information. So before I used to get just these 2 check, but last night I got the notification for me to do my KYC. So we go to the KYC. So we click on continue. So you have to read through this then you click, you check you agree to the terms, the agreement. Then this is why I said you're going to be needing a RUBI coin. All right, you need a RUBI coin, so you are going to choose which of these, more like a package you want to. Now I'm going to be explaining this for you to know. Now the first one, which is level 1, they are going to be charging you 6 RUBI. So you are going to be getting 5 attempts, which is 5 attempts. Then the queue is just 100 persons. All right, your result is bound to be out. Your details meet the standard, within 4 hours your account will be verified. That is the first package, which is level 1. Then level 2 is you're going to be getting 3 attempts. All right, and the queue is just like 600 persons. You are expected to get your result within 24 hours. They are going to be charging you what, 4 rubies. Then why the level 3, you're going to get just 2 attempts. The queue is just like 10,000 persons, which is the queue. Then you are expected to get your result within what, within 7 days. So it depends on the RUBI you are going to be having, and you need a RUBI for somebody that have successfully migrated his RUBI. All right, the person that migrated, you just tell the person to send to you. You might buy from the person depending on the price of the individual. Then you submit your wallet address. I'm going to be showing you how you submit your wallet address. Let me just show you that before I come over here. Now for you to submit your wallet address, that's why I said you must have created your wallet. So you just click on this port here. After clicking, you click on what, receive at this port. Then you click on copy. You copy your wallet address, then you send it to the person sends you the RUBI coin. By the time the RUBI is being sent, it's going to appear here just the way mine is appearing. I bought 4 rubies from a friend that has already migrated his RUBI coin. So we'll go back to the KYC. So I click on it. We'll come back to our KYC. So I click on 4. I think I'm going to make 4. And also one more thing, you are going to create your PIN. All right, you are going to create your PIN. Before I make my payment, I want to show you how you're going to create your PIN. All right, I want to show you how you can create your PIN. So let's go to creating of PIN. Let's go to the creating of PIN. Okay, now for you to create your PIN, you just click on the wallet icon here. Once you have clicked on your wallet icon, you click on these settings here. Then you click on PIN settings. All right, now once you click your PIN setting, you are expected to set your 4-digit PIN that we are going to be using for transaction. So I've already created my 4-digit PIN, so I'll just close that and go back to the KYC. So I just want you to know all the necessary things that you need before you get to come for your RUBI KYC. This is a project I've been promoting. I said don't joke with this project. So you click on continue. Let's go back to our KYC. So I'll click on this. I want to pay 4 rubies, make my reservation. Then I'll go to checkout. You click on checkout. I'll click on transfer. I'm going to impute my PIN. I've already created my PIN. I'll click on done. So they are going to be charging me 4 rubies. Okay, so the payment has been made. All right, so I'll click on already paid. So amazing success, you have successfully paid the KYC booking. Please press now. So start the KYC process. So this is, you are going to be choosing which of the ID card you are going to be using for your KYC. All right, I'm going to be using my national ID card, which is this one. So I'll click on this. I'll click on continue. So I'm expected to impute my ID card number. So I'm going to impute my ID card number and all the necessary details that is needed here. Okay, so I'm going to pause. So I've successfully filled in all the necessary details. So I'll go forward to uploading the front and back of my ID card. Now there's something I want you to note here, please. You need to do this. If you're looking at this particular portion here, you are going to write RUBI on a piece of paper. Then you're going to write that date. All right, so look for a piece of white sheet of paper and you are going to write RUBI. Then so you give your phone to somebody to snap you while you are holding the paper on one side. You are also going to attach your ID card by the side. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that, then so that when you are doing yours, you know how to do that. All right, so we start the process 6 of our KYC. We want to start uploading our ID card. So what I only advise is, for the ID card, just look for a plain sheet of paper that is white so that the background can be captivating. So I just start mine. I just put the ID card on a white background. All right, on a white background, something like this. On a white background or something like this. Okay, so after snapping this, please ensure you scale it, all right, so that it can be well visible, right, to the eye. So you scale it by using this particular tools here to scale. All right, you scale it. So if you check this, I've successfully uploaded all my details, so I just need to submit. So my KYC has been sent successfully, so I'm going to be waiting for 29 hours 59 minutes 45 seconds. All right, so let's see, I'm going to be checking back by tomorrow 8 p.m. or 6 p.m. to check if my KYC have been approved. And another thing you need to know is, if any of these particular details that have been submitted is not accepted, they'll tell you, just like if they don't accept the one where they ask you to hold a write-up carrying RUBI and the date, if it's not accepted, they'll tell you to re-upload that particular one. Then if this is your ID card that is not well captured, they will tell you to re-upload your ID card. So wait for that until tomorrow. We'll know if the KYC will be approved. Don't forget, ensure you subscribe to this channel. Right, once again, my name is Josh. See you when there's another update.